we're going to be discussing exactly how you can look more attractive. Well, first it's important to define what an attractive person is. Based on science and just what society likes, attraction can be summed up to one very important characteristic, and that's symmetry. Research has shown that a symmetrical face usually is seen more attractive. What's unfortunate is that most of us don't actually have symmetrical faces, and we actually have various asymmetries that make us basically unique in who we are. Sad part is that society and science unfortunately don't find these uniqueness or asymmetries, whatever you want to call them, attractive. But it's okay, because we can fix that. So why is it that glasses help you look more attractive? Well, following the same train of thought of what I just spoke about, it's all about proportion. Glasses even out or hide some of these asymmetrical oddities that I've been speaking about. And this is where it becomes very important. Finding a right pair of glasses that fits your face basically throws out the window all those asymmetrical oddities that I've been talking about, and instead gives this illusion and people perceive you as having a very symmetrical face. This is why wearing glasses leads to making you more attractive. And I can prove it. Check out some of these guys. Here are some before and after pictures of some of these guys with and without glasses. Notice how most of them with glasses look much more handsome, much more attractive, and basically better looking. Because glasses really do serve in helping out balance out your face and enhancing your bone structure. Okay, so now that we have established how glasses can actually make you look better, the next step is probably the most important step, and it's finding the glass that looks best for you. Keep in mind, the glass that fits your face is the one that's going to make you look the most attractive. It's going to enhance your bone structure, and it's going to hide your flaws and balance out your face. These are your goals. Now it's all about trying to find that glass that works for you. Now, what I did to try to showcase this is I picked up 5 glasses. I went to Glasses USA. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. It's a huge, they sell a lot of sunglasses and glasses. They have a lot of styles, but I like them because they're pretty organized, and all the glasses, they have them in subcategories. So if you're looking for square glasses, just click there, they show you all the square ones. If you're looking for circular glasses, and if you want circular, you just click on circular and all the circular ones come out. So I picked up 5 different styles. I picked up circular, rectangular, heavy bottom set glasses, thick frame glasses. I try to pick 5 styles. If you like these styles, I'll have them linked below. Maybe they work with your face. But I picked 5 to show you guys how different styles look on my face and exactly which style I believe looks best considering my face shape. So for you guys to choose the right glasses, you basically have to consider your face shape. There's 4 face shapes most men fall under. And you have square-faced, you have circular-faced, you have the triangle or heart-shaped face, and finally you have the oval-faced. My face shape is a triangle. If you have a heart or triangle-shaped face, then you most likely have a heavy set top and a very narrow bottom. So here are the basic 5 styles of glasses that I talked about. As you can see, since I have a triangle face shape, you might not be able to tell because of my beard because it gives the illusion of a thicker jawline, but in reality, I have very wide temples and a narrow chin set. So to balance out this shape of a wide temple and narrow jawline, you're gonna want frames that are very bottom heavy. Like I said, you probably have a top heavy head and a narrow chin area. So you wanna basically do the opposite. Pick up glasses that are very bottom heavy, and this will balance out and enhance your bone structure. The bottom heavy glasses tend to look better on me, which are the aviators, the clubmasters, and the wafers are in between. I feel the aviators and clubmasters tend to look best on me. But wafers, like I said, you will always have those glasses that look good on you, but you want the best because this is what's gonna make you look more attractive. And finally, as you see the circular ones don't look all that well on me because first, you can see how I have wide temples, like I mentioned. I have a heavy set head on the top, so the glasses open up. And the fact that they're circular don't go with my face shape. So these are just a couple tips to give you guys on how to look more attractive, how you can kind of hide some of the flaws and give the illusion of a symmetrical face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit up the like